Okay. Okay. A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we have started the word problems of exercise 7. Okay. So, regarding the integers. So, how the integers will be multiplying and how the integers will be adding, like that we are seeing, okay, in the word problems. So in the previous class we have completed 2 problems in the exercise, and today we shall go on with the some more problems in this exercise part. Okay, so the next one is fourth one I am explaining. Fourth one. So the question is very much big, so I am reading the question. See, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. So this question is same as previous question only. So there will be some changes. So see, in a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. So for every correct answer, how many marks are awarded? Plus 3 marks. Plus 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer, it seems. And minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. So, for every incorrect answer, minus 2 marks are awarded. So, for correct answers, plus 3 marks. For incorrect answers, minus 2 marks are awarded. So, one positive and one negative. Okay. So, and no marks for not attempting any question. For not attempting 0 marks. No marks are awarded. So no marks means 0 marks are awarded. Okay, like that. So these are the given in the class test. So in a class test, like this type of marks are given. Okay. So what are the questions? So Radhika scored 20 marks. So first one. So who is the first person? Radhika. Okay. So Radhika, she scored 20 marks. So 20 marks she scored in the class test. How she scored? So if she got 12 correct answers. So how many correct answers? So correct answers are 12. So 12 correct answers means for every correct answer how many marks? 3 marks. So for 12 correct answers how many? 12 into plus 3. 12 into 3. 12 into 3 is 36 marks. 12 into 3 is 36 marks. So for correct answers she got 36 marks. So if she got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So we have to find out incorrect answers. So for 12 correct answers she got 36 marks, but so her final score is 20 marks only. Her final score is 20 marks. Okay, this is final score. But for the correct answers she got 36 marks. So how many incorrect means we have to subtract 36 marks. We have to subtract this 20 marks from the 36. That means, so for the incorrect answers means, so 36. So 36 minus 20 you have to do. 36 minus 20. Okay. So we have to find the incorrect answers. So how many, suppose see. So 36 minus 20. So 36 minus 20 is how much? So 16. So 16 questions are incorrect. So why 16 questions are incorrect? So how we can say? So incorrect answers are 16. So correct answers are 36. Incorrect answers are 16. So for each 16, wait, just a minute. So here this is 36 marks is correct answers. So how many correct answers are there? So 12 correct answers. So for this 12 correct answers she got 36 marks. Okay. So next incorrect answers. For incorrect answers how many marks are awarded? So for incorrect answers how many marks are awarded? So first of all we have to subtract. These two are marks only. So 36 and 20 are marks only. So if we do the subtraction, incorrect answers marks, incorrect answers marks. Okay, what is the marks of incorrect answers means 36 minus 20. Okay, so that is 16 marks. So for the incorrect answers 16 marks are given. So that is this will be minus only. So because for every incorrect answers minus 2. Okay, so whatever the plus into minus is always minus only. Plus into minus is always minus only. So for the incorrect answers the answer should be in the negative. So minus 16. So 36 marks and minus 16 marks. So you subtract these two. Okay, you subtract these two. So what is 36 minus 16? So here 36 marks is correct answers. It's minus 16 marks is incorrect answers. You add both of them. So 36 minus 16. Plus into minus is minus 1. 36 minus 16 is how much? So 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. So 20 marks again, 20 marks is coming. So for every incorrect, so this is correct only. So for the Radhika got 20 marks. So this is tallied. So now we can, whatever we have done, this is correct only. Okay, so here minus 16. So minus 16 it means how many marks they will award, see. Okay, so minus 16. So minus 16 you divide minus 16 with minus 2. So that means minus minus will be get cancelled. So 2 ones, 2 8s. So 8 incorrect answers are there. So 8 incorrect answers are there. So for this 8 incorrect answers she got minus 16 marks. Because 8 incorrect answers means for every answer minus 2 marks are awarded. So 8 into minus 2. 8 into minus 2 is minus 8 is 16. So minus 16 is tallied with minus 16. So whatever we have done, that is correct only. So like this you have to verify. Okay. So this is the process of doing this problem. Okay. So first her total score, her total marks, then her correct answers. How many correct answers are there? For that how many marks will be awarded. So how many incorrect answer marks? So first of all we have to find incorrect marks. Okay. So from 36 you have to remove 20. So because why we are subtracting this two only? Because this two only given. So from the given data only we have to find out the unknown data. So 36 minus 20 is minus 16. So actual why minus 16 means so marks are awarded for the incorrect answer. So for the incorrect answers the answer will be in the negative only. So minus 16 marks. So now minus 16. So for one question minus 2. So for one question minus 2 means for minus 16 marks. For how many? For how many questions? So unitary method. You have to follow unitary method. So for minus 2 marks is awarded for one question. So minus 16 marks will be awarded for how many questions? So cross multiply. Minus 16 into 1. Minus 16 is equals to x into minus 2. So minus 2 into x. So minus 2 you should send to this side. So minus 16 by minus 2. Okay. So find out. Minus minus will be get cancelled. 2 ones, 2 8. So 8 is tallied with 8. So like this you have to do this problem. So still this problem is not completed. So there is one more student also. Okay. Like Radhika. So we shall see the students also. Okay. I hope you are understanding very easily. So here the second student is Mohini. So Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. So what is her score? Mohini's score is minus 5 marks. Minus 5 marks in this test. So she got only minus 5 marks. So final score. So final score is minus 5 marks. Next, though she has got 7 correct answers. So how many correct answers she got? Correct answers are 7. 7 means 7 into, for every correct answer 3 marks. So 7 3s 21 marks are awarded. So she got 21 marks for every correct answer. Okay, but what happened? How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? So though she got 21 marks for every correct answer, Mohini's final score is minus 5. Why? Because she has written so many incorrect answers, I think so. So here this is marks and this is marks. So first we have to subtract these two. So my 21 marks and minus 25 marks. So 21 minus 25. So what is 21 minus 25? So 21 minus 5. Sorry, 21 minus 5. Not 25. Only 5. Minus 5. So 21 minus 5 is how much? So 21. So 16. So 16 is a score. So this should be in the negative only, because minus 5 plus 21. So here the incorrect answers. So we are finding for the incorrect answers. So like this you do it better. Okay, incorrect answers marks. Incorrect answers marks is 21 minus 5. So 16. So for incorrect answers, always the number should be in the negative. Okay. So 21 minus 5 is 16. So minus 16 marks. So minus 16 marks means, so for one correct answer, for one incorrect answer, minus 2 marks are awarded. So for one incorrect answer, minus 2 marks. So minus 16 marks for how many questions means same. Just a minute. So here how many? So all same as previous problem. So minus 16 by minus 2. Okay. So 2 8s. 2 ones, 2 8s. So 8 incorrect answers she has written. So now we shall check. Okay, 7 correct answers. 21. Okay, 21 is for correct answers. So 8 incorrect answers. 8 into minus 2. So that is minus 16. So 21 minus 16. So 8 into minus 2 minus 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. Minus 5. Okay. So very sorry children, here there is a clash here. So here actually Mohini's score is in the negative. Here Mohini's score is in the negative. So minus 5. So minus 5 means, so correct answer 7. 7 into 3 is 21 marks. Okay. So incorrect answers how many means, so you have to subtract from the total score. From the final score only you have to subtract this score. Okay. So what is her final score? Minus 5. Minus 5. From this minus 5 you have to subtract this correct answers score. That means minus 5 minus 21. Minus 5 minus 21. So what is minus 5 minus 21? Both the symbols are same. If both the symbols are same means you have to add these two. So 21 plus 5. So that is 26 marks. So minus 26 marks are awarded for a incorrect answers marks. Okay. This is incorrect answers marks. So this is marks and these are also marks on. Now you have to what you have to do. So for one incorrect answer minus 2 marks are awarded. So for minus 26 marks, how many incorrect answers will be there? You have to calculate. So again cross multiplication. So minus 26 into 1 is equals to minus 2 into, we don't know this one. So let it as a x. So minus 2 into x. So send minus 2 to this side. Minus 2. So automatically minus 26 into 1 is minus 26 only. So like this. So x is equals to minus 26 by minus 2. So minus minus will be get cancelled. So 2 ones, 2 13s. 13 2 is a 26. If you know 13 table, it will be coming. So what is the x? So x is equals to 13. So how many incorrect answers are there? 13 incorrect answers are there. She has written 7 correct answers, but 13 incorrect answers. Okay. So with this, what we can say? So what is asking first of all? How many questions she has attempted incorrectly? Incorrect answers is 13. So this is the answer. So now we can check. So we can check this problem. Okay, whether we have done correctly or not. So seven correct answers. So 7 into 3, 21. Okay, 7 into 3 is 21 marks plus 21 marks plus next 13 incorrect answers. 13 incorrect means 13 into, for every incorrect answer minus 2. So minus 2. 13 into minus 2. So what is coming? 21 marks plus 13 into minus 2 is minus 26. 13 2 is 26. So plus into minus minus. So 21 minus 26. 21 minus 26. 21 minus 26. So first of all do the subtraction between 26 and 21. 26 minus 21 is 5 only. But for the bigger number, which sign is there? Minus sign is there. So keep minus symbol for this one. So what is the answer? Minus 5. So minus 5 is the total score of Mohini. So what is correct answer? What is incorrect answers of Mohini? 13 is the incorrect answers for Mohini. Okay, I think so. You have understood this problem very clearly. So there might be some sort of clashes because here minus 5 means we thought that I thought that just we have to subtract from 25 of minus 5. Okay, but that is wrong. Okay, from minus 5, this is the final score. From the final score, we have to subtract the one part of her score. Okay, okay, like this you have to do. Okay, if you are not understood, once again you recall back, you will be understanding this problem easily. Okay, so I hope so you have understood very easily. Okay, now we shall go with the one more problem. Okay. Fifth one. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. 6 meters per minute. So if the descent starts from starts from 10 meters above the ground, 10 meters above the ground, comma, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meters, question mark. So this is a problem. So an elevator descent, what is mean by elevator? Elevator means whatever the drilling machine. So an elevator descends, so it is going down. So elevator is going down. So how it is going? Into a mine shaft. So in one of the mine shaft it is going down. So at the rate of 6 meters per minute. So for every minute it is going to 6 meters. It is covering the 6 meters. Okay. So if the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground. So suppose the ground. So ground level is you have to think as a 0. Ground level you have to think as 0. So above the ground there is up to 10 meters. So think this as a 10 meters. So above the ground is 10 meters. So from the 10 meters onwards the mine shaft is descending has been started. So if the descending starts from the 10 meters above the ground level. So ground level. So the exact ground level will be considered as 0. So above the ground level it is positive numbers. Below the ground level obviously negative numbers. So above the ground level 10 meters onwards it is started. So how it was started? At the rate of 6 meters per minute. So for every minute it is covering 6 meters. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. This is 4 meters. So for 1 minute it is covering 6 meters. Okay, for 1 minute it is covering 6 meters. Okay, like that. What is the question? How long will it take to reach minus 350? So after 0, negative numbers will be started. So how many? So up to 350. So up to 350 minus 350. 350 meters will be there. So how long will it take? So how much time will it take to reach minus 350 meters? So starting from 10 meters to minus 350 meters, how much time will it take? He is asking. So here this is 10. So first of all what we have to find? So what is the distance? How many meters will be there in between these 2 meters? So last is minus 350. Last is minus 350. So the starting is 10 meters. Starting is 10 meters. So totally how many are there? So here after 0 350 numbers will be there. After 0 350 numbers. Next here down of 0 350 numbers. Above 0 how many will be there? 10 meters will be there. So 350 plus 10 how much? 360 meters. Okay, so totally 360 meters are there. If the elevator is descending into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters, so for every minute, for 1 minute it is covering 6 meters. If the elevator is covering 6 meters means for 360 meters how much time will it take? So this one is a minute. 1 minute 6 meters. So for 360 meters how many minutes will it take? He is asking. So what is the answer? Just cross multiply. So what is cross multiply? 360 into 1 by 3 by 6 meters. So what is 360 by 6? 6 1 6 6 6 36 0. So what is the answer? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means what is the answer? 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay. So it will take 1 hour time to reach the minus 350 meters. Okay. Like this drawing should be compulsory. So you no need to write all this minus 1, minus 2. So directly you can write minus 350, and just one or two cases you can write. So 4 again, 1, 2, okay, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is minus 1, minus 2. So again from here to minus 2. Like this you can write any 2. Afterwards you can just remove and you can write only minus 350 meters. So like this you have to do. So this is a problem. So for this problem, what are the steps means? You see the steps. This is minus 10 meters. This is ground level, and this is minus 350 meters. Okay. Meters. Okay, one round. Okay, so here what are the steps you have to take? So for 1 meter, 6. Okay, for 1 minute it is taking 6 meters. It is taking 6 meters. It is descending 6 meters. Okay, so instead of this one, first total distance from 10 meters to minus 350 meters is equals to 10 plus 350 is equals to 360 meters. This is the first step. Next step is, so for 1 minute, 6 meters, for 1 minute 6 meters, then for 360 meters, how many minutes? So consider this as x. So x into 6 meters is equals to 360 into 1 is 360 only. So that implies x is equals to 360 by 6. So 6 1 6, 6 6 is 36, 0. So 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means usually 1 hour. So here write down 1 hour. Okay, like this you have to do. And this diagram is must and should important. Okay, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, like this you write down. Okay, hereafter minus 2. So up to here you draw. Okay, this much only it is enough. Okay, another no need. So this is the procedure of this problem. Okay, I hope so you have understood this problem very easily. So in the next class we shall complete one more important type of word problems in this, and we shall conclude the chapter 1 of 7th class. Okay, so in the next class we shall complete the chapter 1. Okay, I hope so you have understood today's class very well. So homework, what is the homework means? Once practice this word problems. Practice up to today how many word problems are there. So practice those word problems. Okay, that is the homework. Okay, practice word problems of exercise 7 So this exercise 7 you practice the word problems, and once revise the properties of integers under addition, under multiplication, under subtraction, and under division. Okay, these are the homework for your today's class. Okay, I hope so you have understood this class very easily. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.